My name's John Tamas. I'm the instructor of the Commercial Truck Technology Program at Lorain County JVS. Many of you, I'm sure, like hands-on. That's how I learned. So I know where you're coming from. When you say, I can't read a book, I can't learn it out of the book, these formulas, I just don't understand them. If you're actually using the tools and you have the parts in front of you, for me, that's what helped me understand the operations that I teach now. The Commercial Truck Technology Program at Lorain County JVS is a 2-year program consisting of a junior year where students will learn how tools work, basic operation of a truck, maintenance of the vehicle, brakes, steering and suspension systems. They also learn how to use specialty tools such as floor jacks and safety stands, cutting equipment, oxy-fuel, MIG welding, and arc welding. The 12th grade program, or second year of the program, we focus more on engines and vehicle electrical systems. Students will be exposed to computerized engine diagnostics, exhaust system after-treatment diagnostics, as well as the opportunity for job placement program. The job skills needed to be a successful truck technician are taught here at the JVS. We try and concentrate on the troubleshooting skills, having the student be able to take assessments of what the problems might be on a truck, look up technical information, and then be able to service that component part or part of the truck. Students who are successful in this program in their junior year have an opportunity to be a part of the summer internship program here at the JVS. You have the opportunity to get summer work and get school credit for it, as well as a paycheck. Over the past years, I've had many students, sometimes close to half the students in the class on summer internship programs.
My name is Trevor Jesse, and I'm in the commercial truck program. This program is just everything I've always wanted to do with diesel and big engines and big trucks. And I was a summer intern at Terminal Ready Mix. It's a concrete company in Lorain. Summer internship was a wide awakening of what it is to be a mechanic and what you have to do, because I did an engine rebuild for them, and that was scary, to be honest. I enjoyed it. I still enjoy it there.
Students that are successful will find jobs at companies in Lorain County and even closer to Cleveland. There's a great need right now for entry-level truck technicians. Not only are there employment opportunities for students that come to the Commercial Truck Technology Program at Lorain County JVS, but there's also plenty of post-secondary options. College, technical schools, and trade schools. We've had students go all over the country to be trained further. We have associations with University of Northwest Ohio, Ohio Technical College, Universal Technical Institute, Lincoln Technical Institute. Many get scholarship opportunities and test out of programs, part of their program, based upon students that complete our program. Students here take ASE student certification. You can earn points towards graduation, and you can earn articulated credits that we have with these schools. I hope you take the opportunity and consider signing up for coming out and visiting the Commercial Truck Technology Program at Lorain County JVS.